Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Ezekiel Akingbola speaking. Today for today's video, what you want to be say, I want to show you how you go fit run Facebook ads. Now, I don't make video for people where we say there's a big English, and the English word I use sometimes for my video now big English. So for this particular video, I want to reduce the English so that I go fit reach out to those who no fit understand those big terminologies where they use when it regards to Facebook ad. This video now to help include many people wey no even understand English, but at least if you understand one or two broken English to be able to run Facebook ads. So if you are ready for this video, oyamoku go run the video. All right, so today now, if you get laptop, for your lappy you go see say if you go to your browser, you go just go type business.facebook.com. Once you fit type business.facebook.com, you fit put /overview. I believe say you dey see my screen and you dey see wetin I dey see like this, right? So you just enter. Once you don do the typing, once you do the typing, e go load and e go show you all the different business manager wey dey for your Facebook account. And if you no get any business manager, e go ask you say make you create new business manager so that you go fit use that one dey run your account. Now wetin we mean by business manager? Business manager na like the whole house wey your Facebook asset dey. Facebook asset na all those things wey you dey use dey run your ad. So for instance, your Facebook page wey you don create, where you do the one wey you use your business name for, that one na one of the assets wey dey under your business manager. Your Instagram account also na one asset wey fit dey under your business manager. So your business manager na the major ogbonge house where all the things wey you dey use run Facebook ads dey locate. I believe say you understand what I dey talk. So once you don do that, once you don reach this side for this your overview, now mean say you don ready to create a business manager, right? So the business manager go help you house all the different things, and you go reach say for all these things, all you need to do we also call this same thing meta business suite, right? Or your business manager, I don't call them. So what you need to do is that you don't go need Facebook account, you don't need to log in with your Instagram account. All you need to do is just create one account for here. Once you click on create an account, it go show you what you go put for here. Now what you go put for here now, the name where you want that business manager to be. So for instance, may I just give this illustration now. So let's say for instance, my name na Bidemi, you understand? And as Bidemi, I get two businesses. I dey run fashion business and I dey run I dey sell shoes, right? So I don't want my clothing fashion business to affect my fashion shoe business. I believe you understand. So I want make all of them dey different business manager, because I get different Facebook page for this one and I get different Facebook page for this one. So I want create different managers for them individually. So I fit come here and say Bidemi shoes. You understand? So if I want create another one too for the other side, I fit say Bidemi clothing, or Bidemi eye pencil, or Bidemi whatever case that works for the particular kind of brand where you want create. I believe say you understand that. So once you do that, then here now your name go show. You go see say the name go automatically show for here as you dey see am like this, and then you go put the email where you go put for here na email where they work, right? Once you put your email, let's say bidemi at gmail.com, right? Once you put your email address and you click on create or submit, this submit button, once you click on that, now I no go fit show you now because I'm not ready to create this particular business manager, right? What you go happen be say once you click on submit, you go load go your Gmail. So you go need to open your Gmail account and you go receive email immediately. Immediately you receive the email, go inside that email, go click on the link. One link go dey inside that email. Once you see the link, click on that particular link, and then you go load you just to confirm say this email where you use now ogbonge email, the email dey very very correct. I believe say you understand what I talk. Once you don't do that, you don't click on submit, you go load to show you this particular. All right, so once you don't create the account, it will show you something like this. So for this, as you see this page, so this page now your page where you feel they manage all your business. If you see you get notification, if you get any notification for your Instagram account or your Facebook account, you go see those notifications for this place, right? If you come again, you go see different things, planner, you see content, you see insight, inbox, and leads and monetization. But for wetin I want show you for this particular video today, now to use this particular thing where they do now to create Facebook ad, right? So once you don't do this and you go just come here, come select. So you go, if you say me as a person, I get different particular business manager where they manage, because I be Facebook ad specialist, right? I dey help people manage. They fit add me to their business manager so that I fit help them manage their account. You understand what I dey talk? So you fit come here, if you get different ones, if you come here, come make sure say you dey select the correct business account wey you wan use run ad. So once I don select the one wey I wan use, for example, I don already select the one I don use, you come all tools, once you click on all tools, you go come see where dem put ads manager. See ads manager for here, down here, you go see ads manager for here, right? So you fit just click on ads manager, e go load you for another page where the ad manager wey you go use run your ad go show. So the ad manager, now there are a lot of things wey you fit do for inside the ad manager. The ad manager go help you run your ad. So the kind of ad wey you wan run for your ad manager go depend on the kind of result wey you wan get for your Facebook account. I don't know if you understand wetin I dey tell. Alright guys, so now wey we don get to this page, all we need to do na to create one particular ad wey we wan run, right? So we wan create ad now. So if you come click on create ad, you go see say different campaign objective dey. I no wan make this video long, I wan make you understand wetin I wan do. So now, if you wan create awareness, e mean say you wan show your ad to people wey go remember those ads. Then you wan reach so many people, or you wan create awareness for your brand, or you wan get more video views, or you wan make people locate your physical shop for where e dey. You go fit run this awareness ad. And wetin this awareness ad go do be say e go reach out to so many people, so that your ad go fit reach out to them, and then they will be able to react to that particular ad. So for instance, now you don create one video for YouTube or for Facebook or for anywhere, you don create your video, and you wan make people fit watch that video well. So all you need to do be say you go come this awareness, come generate this awareness ad. If na traffic campaign you wan run, traffic campaign, that one makes sense too. Traffic campaign means say you get one link, or you get your website, or you get one e-store, or you want make people come your WhatsApp or your Instagram or your Messenger, make them reach out to you from there. You understand? Or you want make people visit your profile account. Profile account, now you want me to see those your Instagram posts. You want me to see all the things where they do, and so that they will feel reach out to you. All those things too, if you run them for traffic. I believe so you understand what I talk. So then, if na engagement you choose, engagement too good, e get your own advantage. Engagement go make people wey fit purchase your product, wey go increase your video views as well, wey go fit engage with the kind of content wey you don create for your Facebook or Instagram account. They also feel like your page. If you want make them like your page well, you go use engagement option. That one too dey work wella. Now, all these other remaining options for your campaign, like lead, app promotion, and sales, they work better for people wey be say dem get URL, dem get website, right? That means say this kind of campaign objective dey work for those people wey be say they don set up some kind of wetin we dey call Facebook pixel for their website. So that Facebook pixel go fit dey crawl to see wetin people dey do for your website. So that way Facebook go call the pixel go dey feed information to your account. I believe say you understand what I dey do. You go feed information to your account, so there go be synchronization or in relationship between your Facebook page, and that is your Facebook account, and your website. So that if somebody come your website, come click on purchase, Facebook go record them. So Facebook go fit know wetin dey happen, or wetin that person dey do. If the person actually went on to buy that particular product, or you no end up to buy the product. I believe say you understand. So if you no get website, you no fit run lead generation ad, app promotion, or sales. This app promotion obviously means say you get app where you want make people install and all those things, so that you go fit track them. So depending on what you want to do. So for this instance now, where I want imagine say you no get website, right? And you just want make people come reach out to you through your Instagram account. You want make people send message to you for WhatsApp. You want make people send DM to you and do different things to you, right? So that's why we go choose engagement for this particular example where I want to do, right? So you go click on continue. Once you don't select the kind of campaign you want to run on. Now, go see say for this side, it dey show you two options. It dey show you recommended settings, it go show you manual engagement settings. If you don't know wetin you want do, maybe you no understand wetin I dey tell you for this video, if you use this recommended setting, because if you use this recommended setting, Facebook go use their different advantage placement and different audience wey dem don create, wey dem think say go fit work for you and fit help you reach out to so many people, right? That one go work. But if you know wetin you dey do and you don do research, you don know the kind of people wey be say dem fit purchase your product, right? You fit come here, manual settings, and then manual engagement campaign, and then click on continue, because I wan set up wetin I want. I believe say you understand wetin I dey yarn you, right? So let's continue. So I believe say una dey follow me, abi? Now wey we don fit create this particular engagement campaign, wetin you go do for here, you go name the campaign. So I wan say Bidemi shoes engagement for, let's say, Valentine. I wan run this ad for Valentine now. You understand wetin I dey talk? So this ad, so that I go fit recognize, dey good make you fit describe the kind of ad wey you wan run. Other things, you go scroll down, check other things. These other options, I no go, for other videos now I go explain different other things for this particular video, because you say my video don dey long. I wan end am very soon. So you click on next, so that I go fit load to the ad set. So this first level now, you go see say na 3 different level dey. This place na the wetin we dey call the campaign level, this way we dey call am ad set level, and this way we dey call am ad level. I believe say you understand wetin I dey yarn, right? So once we come back to the ad set level, for the ad set level, you fit name the ad set level if you want, but me I go just leave my own like that. Now you go select the app or where you want make people send you ad to. We want make dem send us ad to our messaging apps, right? Or to website, or to app, or to Facebook page. So you select the one wey go work for you. We wan use messaging app, right? So for messaging app, wetin we want, wey make e show for the button, make e show click to message or sponsored ad, we go want make e show click to message, right? So here now we go come this side, come select the kind Facebook page or Facebook account wey we want make this ad dey run to, right? So if no be this Facebook page you want, we go come here, come change am, select the Facebook page wey we wan use. Might use this particular one, right? So when you select the Facebook page, make sure say your Instagram account no dey connected and your WhatsApp number also dey connected to this particular Facebook page. So once that one don settle, you go see say I don tick am. So let's say I just want make dem send me message for WhatsApp. I go untick Instagram, I go untick Messenger, and only place where they go dey send me message na for WhatsApp. Una understand wetin I dey talk? They go fit send me message for my WhatsApp DM. I go fit dey interact with them. Here na the major thing wey I wan make una understand. So make sure say this phone number dey correct, and na the WhatsApp number wey dem dey send message to be that. So the next thing wey important na your budget. Your budget dey important because e go determine how much you go spend per day. So if na $1 or $3 you wan dey spend, they go say, let's say for this ad I wan dey spend $3 per day. You fit set am. But another important thing wey I wan make you note today as I dey finish this video or summarize this video be say you need to be able to select the kind of people wey you wan reach out to, right? So you get more come down here, you go see budget scheduling. I don make video for this one. You go fit watch am. I go drop the link for somewhere up here now, right? So the advantage audience, you can use this advantage audience, e dey work too, right? E dey work. But if to say na me wan select other things by myself, I go come here, come tell them say make dem switch to original audience, because I wan select, or I wan make up people wey be say I know say dem go buy my product by myself, right? So all I need to do now is a simple thing. I will just come this side, tell them say, okay, oh, people I want make them buy my product, no be all Nigeria. I fit do delivery to Lagos alone, and I fit do delivery to Abuja. Do you understand? So whatever location where you want pick, make it be the location where we say you don't get plan for delivery, right? You don't get plan for delivery. If not, you go dey show Facebook ad to people where we say if they reach out to you and they interested to buy, you no go fit send them the product because you don't make arrangement for delivery for that particular location. So you go see say I still get about 16 million people where they target, which is too much for the particular budget where I get. So I feel reduce the age. 18 years old, may I say depending on the kind of shoe they sell. So I want make them be 25 years old to maybe around more go up where most say I want maybe people like 45 years old, depending on the. That's why they say me you don't do research, right? For the kind of people you want sell your product to, right? So you go also need to select gender. Let's say my shoe na for women. You go see say the number don't they reduce like that, right? Say the number don't they reduce. So I go select the only women that they sell my shoe to. Men no dey buy my shoe, na only women dey buy am. You go see say the audience go not reduce. I mean say I fit get lesser targeting for my result. I believe say una understand this video. If I even stop here, I don do better. Subscribe.